I've just received this and it looks like it's from Nutanix. After that vlog I made that video about their event, I think they've sent me some swag as a reward. Let's have a look. Oh hello. It's an Xbox. No. The moment we've all been waiting for. Oh! Nutanix bag for life. Who would have thought? Oh man. Oh, whoa, whoa! Basketball. So that will be going up in the office. Ping pong. Aaron, you up for playing with these? Can't play with them myself. Good, good. Binoculars. To spy on competitors. It's a table tennis net, obviously. So I think the reason Nutanix gave us this expandable net is because they're expandable with cloud technology. So Nutanix, hyperconverged infrastructure for companies that want to have the best of cloud, the best on-site hardware, and it's proven, and it's scalable, and you can use it with AWS and Azure, and it's just amazing.
Harrison, what's the consumption model?
Fractional, pay as you play.
How often would I need to upgrade?
Scales and improves by itself, no forklift upgrades every 3 to 5 years.
How complex is HCI?
HCI includes the whole infrastructure stack. Back of the net. Check it out. IT directors, IT managers, CIOs, get in touch. Total Computers and Nutanix. See you later.